Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to use Gauth AI study app for beginners. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is simply go and download the application from Play Store, and after downloading it, I will open it. And now the good thing with the Gauth application is that you can use it in many fields. You can use it in math, you can use it in language, translation, economics, history, and so on. So I'm going to click on continue. I will simply click on continue till I reach the main menu. And now here, as you can see, I have the camera. Now, in order to, now first you want to select the type of equations that you are actually going to use. So here, my case, I will use math. Then I will give it a small equation in order to solve it. So let's say here, this one, I'm gonna take a photo of it like so. And it highlighted the equation. Then I'm gonna click on the correct sign. And I will tell them that this is for colleague or university. And here it will use the AI in order to generate the answer, as you can see. And you can give it a feedback. Now, another good thing is that you can go back and use the calculator, and it is advanced calculator. Just click on the top right side, and here you have the calculator, as you can see. You can use the scientific or the converter. And when you go back again, here you have the photos section on the bottom left side. You can select a specific photo in order to solve your problem. So let's say this one here, for example. I'm going to add it. Then I'm going to click on the correct sign. And here I have highlighted causes of tender calf muscles. And here it will choose the correct answer and it will tell me exactly the explanation. The good thing is that you have many fields. You have the normal studying field, math, history, biology, physics, economics, chemistry, literature, and so on. And the good thing is that you can even use the flashlight by clicking on the bottom right side right here. And here you have your profile, and you can get a 3-day free trial when using this application. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.